Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpapers. So basically here we've got plenty of sections from which we can choose the wallpaper from, and this operation differs whether we will choose the custom option or choose something from those. So let me go through all of them quite quickly and show you all opportunities that you've got in this section. So at the top you've got this local photos, which means that you can choose the photo from your own gallery and of course set it as a wallpaper. Under it we've got live wallpapers, which are animated, and under it again we've got my wallpapers, which are pre-installed on this device and they are static, so simply regular wallpapers. Moreover, you can tap on more wallpapers right here and you will be transferred to the themes, where you can choose something from themes. But after scrolling down you've got popular wallpapers. Of course you can tap on more and you will be able to check more of them. They are free of charge and they are available online, so be aware you need the internet connection to be able to actually check them. But all you have to do is to tap on the wallpaper which you like and then simply tap on download and your device will download it. And here immediately you've got this option apply, or you can check the preview. So this is how it works here, but let me go back. Also here we've got this option custom, and right there we've got even more pre-installed wallpapers. So let's tap on custom. Here we've got, I would say, another section in which we can change the wallpaper. I mean, here we can also customize the clock on the lock screen, and on the home screen I believe we can change the icons, whether they are themed or not, and the upgrade. So this is how it works. If you wish to check more and also you can change the system colors. So here we can tap on more wallpapers, and again we will be transferred to different section with those albums from which we can choose the wallpaper. So as you can see, we've got something called live, art, landscapes, textures, etc. Just tap on the specific option and your device will show you available wallpapers. So as you can see, we've got plenty more. They were not available in the previous section, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find something which you like. But let me go back maybe to this section because I'd like to use the live wallpaper. However, setting the live wallpaper is also different than setting the static one. So I'll start with the static. So let's pretend I'd like to set this one. So just tap on the wallpaper. Here you will be able to check the preview of the home screen and lock screen. You can simply swipe and then simply tap on apply. Moreover, before that, in the home screen we've got this blur icon, I mean the drop icon, and after tapping on it you can see that your device will simply apply this blur effect. It's up to you whether you like to use it or not. So just tap on apply if you're ready, and here we can decide where we want to set our wallpaper, so home screen, lock screen, home screen, lock screen, or both. So it's completely up to you. Just tap on the option and the wallpaper will be applied. However, if you will decide that you want to set the live wallpaper, so the animated one, it will look a little bit different. So let me choose, for example, this one. As you can see, it is animated here, this water moves. So all we can do is to tap on apply, and now your device will immediately apply it. It doesn't ask you where you would like to apply it. It will set it on the home screen, as you can see, and on the lock screen also. Where's the lock option? The power key. Here. As you can see, it is also on the lock screen. So this is how it works. As you can see, the whole process depends on the specific wallpaper. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.